Hey guys, this is Justin.
I'm Alexis.
With Dynasty Preppers, and welcome back to Taste Test Tuesdays. Today we're going to take a look at the Backpackers Pantry Lasagna. Alright guys, so this is the Backpackers Pantry Lasagna. This is something we really like from Backpackers Pantry, and I like the packaging because it's smaller, easier to fit more things in the bob.
2 servings. 2
servings in here. Now that's about 780 calories in the package, so you can either eat it by yourself for 780 calories or share it between people. Mm-hmm. Now if you're doing something like hiking or whatnot, I would suspect you probably want this for yourself. But with the thinner packaging, you can fit more in a bag.
Right.
So, and this is again long-term food, best by 4/28/24. So we have a few years left on this package before it's over.
24, huh?
24.
Wow.
Yeah. So, all right. So this is something I would consider a comfort food that the kids would like. Mm-hmm. Alexis and I, unfortunately, won't be taste testing this today because we have allergies. So we do have dairy and gluten allergies. So if you know of any food that is dairy-free or gluten-free that you'd like us to test, let us know down below. We really appreciate that. Just because we'd like to have something around that we could eat as well.
It would be nice.
That would be great.
Justin can eat dirt.
I can eat dirt. Powdered dirt, packaged dirt. If you know somebody that does that, let me know too. That would be great.
He'll be your first customer.
Yeah. It'd be wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so
but our kids do eat gluten.
Our kids do eat gluten. And they like gluten, and a lot of things like lasagna, pasta, things like that are comfort foods. And if you're out for a situation like, SHTF or something like that, you want something comforting to feed your kids. It'll make them happier. And if they're happier, you're happier. So
and we would eat this in one of those situations.
We would, yeah, definitely.
Today we're not going to.
All right, so let's go ahead and open this up and add everything in here. To make these, you do need boiling water, varies per packaging. And if you are over a certain altitude like we are, you have to add time to it.
Right.
In this case, it's normally 13 minutes to make this. It's going to be about 26 minutes in our case. So We'll get this in here, get the kids out, and see what it looks like.
Welcome back, guys. We have got this lasagna from Backpackers Pantry, all made and divvied up. This is about, these 3 bowls you see is about half. So there's still about half left in here. Again, it's 2 servings or a large meal. This is a vegetarian lasagna, so there's no meat in this one. So if that's something you're looking for or you need as an option, this might be a good one. So go ahead, kids, and let's try it and see what you think. On the Backpacker Pantry, it does tell you that if you're above 5,000 feet to go ahead and double the cook time or the set time for the water. And we do that. We're at about 6,000 feet. And it seems like on any of them, we have to let them set longer for them to completely rehydrate. Is it crunchy at all? Did it get rehydrated all the way?
Mm-hmm. There's still a couple of crunches.
That seems to be a problem with any of the freeze-dried food that we've found is unless you're constantly stirring it or shaking it, you're going to get a few pieces in there that are still not rehydrated. Mm-hmm. How about taste?
I certainly didn't like it.
You don't like it?
I mean, I would eat it if I had to, but it's not my favorite.
It's not your favorite? What do you think, buddy? You still chewing?
If you're a vegetarian, you would like this.
You're missing the meat, huh?
And also, it is very good.
Do you like it or not?
I love it.
You love it. Okay, how about you, Jordan?
I give it 2 thumbs up.
You give it 2 thumbs up?
It's good. No, it's like no meat. We still got all the other flavors, and it still tastes like there's meat in it because, all the vegetables, it still tastes like nice little meat. It's
so we've got 1 thumbs down.
There's no meat.
1 thumbs down and 2 thumbs up. So you can take that for what you want. This is not my pickiest eater, by the way, so I'm not sure. Like I said, Justin and I are not trying these ones because of the milk and gluten in them, but we're relying on their opinions. So we've got 2 little kids that say yes, and 1 says, no, thank you.
I'm the pickiest opinion.
You kind of are the pickiest. So go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you like these Taste Test Tuesdays. Our kids really enjoy doing them, and they beg us to do them, so we let them taste, and that way we get things in their bags that they like and we know that they're going to like, and this will not go in Aubrey's bag. She does not like it. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel down below, and stay tuned for more Taste Test Tuesdays.